Are you essentially overpaying for your home every single month? Imagine opening your bank account and seeing an extra $300 or $400 that used to go straight to your mortgage. For many homeowners, that's not just a dream, it's the reality of a smart refinance. At its core, refinancing means replacing your current mortgage with a new one tailored to your financial goals. Whether you want a lower interest rate, reduced monthly payments, or a shorter loan term, refinancing can help you take control of your debt. You can even use a cash-out refinance to tap into your home's equity for renovations or to pay off high-interest debt. So how do you know if it's the right time? A good rule of thumb? Refinancing may be worth considering if you can lower your interest rate by 0.5% to 1%. But the real key is your break-even point, the time it takes for your monthly savings to cover your closing costs. For example, if you save $340 per month and your closing costs are $1,700, you'll break even in about 5 months. If you plan to stay in your home longer than that, refinancing could lead to significant long-term savings. At TAM Mortgage, we go beyond estimates. We analyze your actual numbers, calculate your break-even point, and compare refinancing options to help you make a confident decision, whether you're looking for a cash-out refinance or moving from an adjustable-rate loan to a fixed-rate mortgage. Discover how much you could save. Contact TAM Mortgage today.